You are very much welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at questions on sets, and I have these questions for us to discuss together. So here is my first question. I have A, B, C subsets of the universal set, and our universal set contains elements from 0 to 12. Set A contains elements from 0 to 7. Set B, we have 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 in it. Set C, Y is a prime number. It is stated there that Y is a prime number, meaning that we are looking for prime numbers between 1 and 8. So let's kick it off. I want to draw a line here so that we can have enough space for our work. Alright, so we'll start with listing out the elements. So here is the universal set: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then for A, I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. For B, it is 4, 6. So you need to look at them, understand them well. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. So we look out for prime numbers between 1 and 8. So we have 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5, and 7. These are the prime numbers. So let's start with the first thing we are asked to do, to draw a Venn diagram. So to do that, I have to draw the rectangular box for the universal set. Okay, so that is it. Now before I put the subsets, I need to study the subsets, know what they have in common, and know how to, whether they are joint or disjoint sets. So for A and B, I'm seeing 4 and 6 as their common elements. For B and C, I'm not seeing any, but I'm seeing that all the elements in C are in A. So I can tell that C is a subset of A. So I'm going to have to draw my A to be a bit big so I can have my C in it. Remember the subset? So this is my C, this is my A. Now I'm going to join my A and B because they are having 4 and 6 in common. Okay, let me start with the subset. C, 2, 3, 5, 7. So here I have 4 and 6 common in A and B. So let me finish B. I have 8, 10, and 12 remaining. And then for A, I'm having 0 and 1 remaining. But we still have some elements in the universal set that are not in ABC. So let me figure it out. I have 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 should be here now. 10, 11, let me put it here. So we are done. Alright, so let's answer the first question in B. BI says we should find B union C complement. So that means we are going to take away B union C from the universal set. Everything in B and C, we take them off from universal set. So let me list out our universal set again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So everything in B, I'm going to take it off here. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And everything in C, 2, 3, 5, 7. So the remaining ones will be the answer. So I'm having 0, 1, 9, 11. These are the complements of the union of B and C. Is that clear? Try it and then drop your comment in the comment section if you have any question. Then for II, for BII, I'm having A prime intersection B intersection C. So I need to find my A prime first, okay, which is the universal set minus A. So I'm going to put down the universal set and take every element in A from it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So everything in A is from 0 to 7. So I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out. So A prime, I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, to answer my question, I need to check out what is in A prime that is also in B and also in C. So it's what we'll do gently and critically. So I'm going to look at A prime and B. For A prime and B, I'm seeing 8 and 10. But for C, I'm not seeing anything. So that tells me that they have nothing in common. So I have to put 0 and cancel it. Or you can just put an empty bracket. So that is it for this question number 1. Look at it again, try it, put it down in writing and work it out yourself. Okay? So we go to the second question. Okay, this is our second question. We have P and Q. So we are asked to find P intersection Q. That's the first question. What do they have in common? What do they have in common? So if we look at P and Q, the elements they have in common there is 3. So it's a singleton set. They have just 3 in common. That's it. Now we look at the second one, which is P union Q. So let's bring everything in P and U and Q together. Sorry. So I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm not going to write 3 again because it's already there. So the ones in Q that are not in P, I'm going to repeat them. Put them there, 5 and 6. So remember, no repetition is allowed. That's why I didn't put 3 again. It's already there, so it's already represented. So I have to put just 5 and 6, which are in Q there. Okay? So that is it for P union Q. Then next we have the third one is P intersection Q union Q. So already we have P intersection Q, which is 3. So if we unite it with Q, which is 3, 5, 6, it will just be Q, which is 3, 5, 6. Okay. So because this 3 is here, just write it once and then others. Okay. Next we have is P union Q intersection P. So P union Q, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if we take it with P, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do they have in common? It is just P, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So look at it again and again. Drop your question in the comment section if you have any questions. So our P intersection Q is 3. Our P union Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then others are also there. So look at it again and again and drop your question if you have any or comments. Alright, we go to the third question, which should be the last for this. Alright, so this is what I have. I'm told that the universal set will start always with the universal set. Okay, the universal set here is here. So this is our universal set. Okay, so we are taking numbers from 1 to 10. So that's our universal set, numbers from 1 to 10. So let me list them out. Sorry. Okay. So next I have my set A, multiples of 2. So I'll go to the universal set and search out for the multiples of 2. We start by 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 8, and 10. These are multiples of 10 in the universal set. Okay. Now I'll look out for B. B talks about the multiples of 3, and I have 3, 6, and 9. Then for C, I'm having factors of 6, which are 1, 2, 3, and 6. These are factors of 6. Now we have to find A prime intersection B prime intersection C prime, meaning that we need to find A prime, which is universal set minus A. So let's put down the universal set and then take A out of it, and then we'll have it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So if we take off A from it, which we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Remaining will be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. And then we go for B prime, which is universal set minus B, and that will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we take off the B from it, we have 3, 6, 9. So what we have remaining will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Okay. Then for C prime, which will be universal set minus C, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And this will be taking off 1, 2, 3, 6. So we have remaining 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's watch out. What do they have in common? A prime intersection B prime intersection C prime. What do they have in common? Okay, 1 is in A and B but not in C. 3 is in A, not in B prime or C prime. But 5 is in the 3. So I'm having 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. So I go with 5. That's the first element. Okay, do we have any other? 7 is in the 3. Okay, so we can pick 7. 8 isn't in A prime. 9 isn't in B prime. 10 isn't in A prime. So what they have in common are just 2 elements, and they are 5 and 7. So that is all for today. Thanks for listening. Go through the questions again and try them. Try doing them yourself again and again, and that is how you learn, and that is what I want you to do. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye bye.